Firefighters continue to monitor a major fire at an energy plant in Durham that is expected to keep burning for days.
Crews still working around the clock to put out a big blaze that's been burning for the past 2 days.
And now to a fight over a plan to build an incinerator right near Miramar.
City leaders have been expressing their outrage over it, even launching a petition.
We don't have a voice, but we will be in opposition at every regulatory permit process. We have legal recourse. We have recourse as it relates to the EPA. The decision was made literally in a vacuum, a bubble. This decision will impact over 100,000 Broward residents who do not have a vote, who was not contemplated into this decision.
Well, Miramar's mayor is mobilizing his community and raising red flags over a proposed site for Miami-Dade County's trash incinerator.
Our message is simple. Miramar says no to the incinerator.
Mayor Wayne Messam reiterating his rejection of Miami-Dade County's new waste-to-energy plant in their backyard.
20,000 residents in Miramar near one of the proposed sites have signed a petition saying they are against it. The city has also hired an environmental law firm and says it's prepared to fight this in both federal and state court.
Our beautiful city, Miramar, is a zero-tolerance zone for pollutants and hazardous emissions that can negatively impact our air and water quality and the well-being of our residents.
Queremos que los niños, los abuelos, que todos pueden vivir aquí y saben que ellos no van a sufrir.
A vote for this site is an empty calories choice. Nothing will ever come of it except a solid decade of litigation and tens of millions of dollars in legal fees for the county.
Plans for a proposed trash incinerator are again up in the air tonight. A vote on where to build it has been delayed, partly because of stiff opposition from some residents in one community.
When do we want it? We want it now! No incinerator! Not in our town!
Residents of Miramar heading to Miami to express their opposition to a plan to put a garbage incinerator near Miramar. Green-shirted demonstrators turning up at Miami-Dade County Commission chambers to slam the proposed site. Miramar Mayor Wayne Messam also taking part in the public comment.
Your decision today will be one of the most consequential decisions that this board will make. The question is, will you make the right one? We will not be silenced. We will not be overlooked. And we will continue fighting until justice prevails. We are Miramar, and we will not let anyone destroy what we have built. Not today, not ever.